So hi everybody, welcome to the Spin Vlogs. Here I am in my classroom. So today we are going to discuss about the parts of the neuron which is made by him. So this paper, it represents the parts of the neuron. We are going to discuss every part of the neuron. So let's start off with the first part. But prior to starting this video, I would like to tell you that the basic unit of nervous system is called neuron. This question is very much important from exam perspective. The basic unit of nervous system is called, what do you call it? Neuron. Neuron. So neuron, what does it do? What is the function of neuron? So it is responsible for receiving, processing and transmitting the messages from cell body to the outer part of the body. And first of all, we are going to discuss about the dendrite. Dendrite, look at this part, come closer a little bit. Yes, this part is called dendrite. So let me tell you something, that what is this? If you are not able to comprehend that, it is this is called neuron, and you have lots of neurons in your body. These are in number millions, trillions. In addition to that, you are having this kind of neurons in your backbone as well. So you will be amazed to know. Come on, go back a little bit. Okay. So we are discussing about the dendrite. What is the function of dendrite? So the function of dendrite, it receives signals. It receives signals and it passes signals to the skin. For example, right now, if there is fire, let's say this is fire. So I'm gonna touch it. What happens? Instantly I get the signal that there is fire. So I put away my hand from there. So this is how the dendrite, it works. It receives the signals and it sends the signals to our body. Next we have, what do we have? Soma. It's also called cell body. So look at this. Here nearby soma there is a nucleus which is situated in the center part of the neuron. What's the nucleus? Sorry. The center part of the neuron. So what does it do? What is the function of the soma? So the function of the soma, it controls the nucleus. It controls the nucleus. And here I would like to ask one question. What happened? I would like to ask one question related to soma. So let me ask one question. So which part of the neuron contains the nucleus? It's soma, right? Yes. So soma is the part which contains the nucleus, and it is also responsible for processing and integrating information. So soma is the part which is responsible for integrating and processing the information. Next we have axon. This is how you should pronounce. Okay, there should not be mistake of pronunciation. It's called axon. So axon, what does it do? It carries the electrical impulse. Electrical impulse, and it's also called, it acts as communicable link. It acts as communicable link. Okay. थोड़ा इधर करो. Now, let me ask one question related to action to my student. I hope that he will give me a response. Which part of the neuron carries message away from the cell body? Which part of the neuron carries message away from the cell body? It's action. We are discussing about the action, so answer is action. Last but not least, which we are having, this is called action terminal button. So what is the function of action terminal button? It releases neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter. So these are the things about the parts of the neuron. So far we have discussed about the dendrite, soma, nucleus, myelin sheath, axon and axon terminal button. But there is an important point, which is the junction between, the gap between the two neurons is called synapse. The gap between the two neurons is called synapse. If you have found this video helpful, please do like, hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. So thank you so much for watching the video.